I know, it's a mess, but I'm packing. I want to show you a 240 volt panel, an AC panel, which is here in the passage to the bow cabin. It's a bit hard to show it in entirety because it's not enough space, but anyway, can be closed, but I can open the door. Just trying to show you that I'm taking a second take because the first time I didn't watch the camera, and I was telling you and showing things, but they were not on the camera. Anyway, so that's the panel, and the main points that you're interested here, that you're going to be operating, are the generator start and stop. Forget this one, that's an old Jenny. So this one, the cam switch for power distribution, where you can go between off, on generator, inverter and a shore power. I'll show you where the socket for the shore power is. And then you've got those switches, the row of switches at the bottom that you can operate when the generator is running. You do not operate those switches out of batteries, out of the inverter, right? So I will turn it on now. I've got the inverter turned on, but the power is on. Power is off. So what you do once you turn on the inverter, make sure that there is no load anywhere, like nothing is turned on, and then you just watch the stop. Just watch this voltage gauge. So I'm turning on, nothing, and I'm turning inverter, and we've got 240 volts. So now we've got the power in the power points, and the lights. No, the lights are not using 240 power points, and also those are ready to go. So I'll explain to you which one is which. This is the charger for inverter batteries. I turn it on when the fridge is running at night, so I turn on the generator for an hour and turn on the fridge, and then I turn on this one as well. This is for the sheet pump. There are two switches on that line, and I explain to you this to facilitate a one-person operation. So I will explain to you on a separate video. Those two black ones, I don't know what they are, never used them, probably nothing, some old stuff. This is the one that it says refrigerators. It's actually the engine room lights. There's a label below. This is the fridge, eutectic. So that's what you turn on when the gen is running. This is your hot water. These are the sockets, separate circuit for sockets in the bow cabin, and the charger for starting batteries. I also use that charger. I turn that charger on at night when I'm running the fridge. So when and this one is empty. So there's a separate light in the lazarette. So when I'm running a generator at night, I turn on the fridge, starting battery charger, and the inverter battery charger. So that's basically your AC panel. There's here there are some circuit breakers for DC circuits. They're all labeled. The ones that are not labeled, I don't know what they are. If something goes wrong, I simply just go through the unlabeled ones, and when I found the tripped one, I just replace the wire. There's a wire here, and that usually works, and then I label it. And this is the switch that switches that part of the ship, the installation, the forward thing, but I've never turned it off. And your smoke alarm. Okay, that's it.